Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a trustworthy VPN because encryption only protects you if the provider is reliable. Once chosen, update your router firmware and confirm the model supports VPN client mode. Make sure your Wi-Fi uses WPA2 or WPA3 and change the admin password now. Then create the VPN account and download the official client or the router-compatible config file. You're doing essential prep in parallel. This avoids configuration mismatch later and gets you into the actual connection steps faster. You now configure the VPN where it matters. If you use a router install, load the provider's config and set the protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN for best speed and stability. If using a device, install the official client. Once done, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Make sure Auto Connect is on for untrusted Wi-Fi, and set split tunneling only when necessary so local services stay reachable, while sensitive traffic is tunneled. You finish by verifying the tunnel. Run an IP and DNS leak test to confirm your address and DNS resolve through the VPN. Once verified, enable Auto Connect and set the router to reboot on a schedule if needed, and lock down the router admin account. If the VPN won't connect, switch protocols between WireGuard and OpenVPN, restart your router and device, check system time and credentials, and then contact provider support. This sequence resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.